Hello and welcome back to Hira's Cozy Kitchen. If you are bored of making fruit trifles, custards and pudding, then you must try this Boston Cream Trifle. Let's start making Boston cream first. I'm boiling 3 cups of milk. In a bowl, take 4 egg yolks, half cup sugar, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence and half a cup of cornstarch. Now mix it well until cornstarch is dissolved. Meanwhile, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this recipe. Milk has come to boil. Now add a small quantity of boiling milk to cornstarch and egg yolk mixture. This is a trick to avoid any lumps and you will get creamy and thick Boston cream. Now pour this mixture in your milk. Keep stirring until it thickens. I'm cooking it on medium heat from the beginning till end. This is the required consistency. It will thicken once it's cooled down. Transfer it to clean and dry bowl. Cover it with cling wrap and keep it in fridge for a couple of hours. Now I'm going to make chocolate ganache. I'm using 2 bars of Cadbury milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate, white chocolate or any chocolate of your choice. I added 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. I'm melting chocolate in microwave. You can use double boiler method. This is a perfect consistency of chocolate ganache. Now I'm using 2 cups of whipping cream and a half cup of sugar. If you want to skip this step, you can use a pre-whipped cream. They are easily available in supermarkets. In this way you will save some time. Now it's time to assemble our trifle. Base is Marie biscuits. I'm just simply dipping them in cold milk. I have mixed whipped cream with Boston cream and now I'm using it as second layer. Again, I'm using biscuits as my next layer. Now it's time to pour some chocolate ganache. Try to spread it evenly. Another layer of Boston cream. You can add as many layers as you want. You can also make it in small single serving bowls. And here's the final layer of chocolate ganache. If you are making it for a party, try to make it a day before and refrigerate it overnight. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and don't forget to share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do so. Here's the final look. You can make changes according to your choice. For example, you can replace biscuits with cake or as I said earlier, you can use dark chocolate or white chocolate. It came out smooth, silky and creamy, a perfect combination of vanilla and chocolate. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching Hira's Cozy Kitchen.